Hi! So Lidl in Germany had this Mega Spar Preise offer going on, and I decided to make good use of it and order a lot of things, not just for me, but also for some of my friends here. I got a big and a small box delivered, so let's see what was in it. I kind of like Lidl.de because it's reasonable and it also gets home delivered, and I just find so many different things there. So I don't have to, look for different shops that sell all of these things, but just, the convenience of getting so many things in one place. So this was this smaller box. Let's open that first. Here I got a couple of clothes, and I had also ordered something for my garden or my balcony garden. That's what I got in here. I'll open each of them separately and show it to you in detail. First, let's open this beautiful loungewear. I got it for an offer for €8.99. I think that was a great deal. I really like these, curly rim hems at the sleeve and on the bottom of the top. And look at the pant. Look at those patterns. I think the color combination is also great. The price is good, so I'm keeping it. I love this set. Next, we have some basic black joggers. I got it for €4.99, so almost €5. I think it's a pretty good deal. I just check how thick the material is because I'd like something that works well for spring and autumn. Material is pretty good. It has elastic on the bottom and at the hip. Easy to wear. The size fits me perfectly. And I think it's a great deal. The best part, I can combine this with so many different things. Next comes this cute propagator set. As you know, I'm into gardening, and I wanted some trays where I could fill in some sand, fill in some soil, and grow some seeds, germinate them. I also wanted to have like a small greenhouse, but because of constraints, I never would have the space to have a greenhouse. But these trays come with this transparent lid, which kind of acts like a greenhouse. It will retain moisture and at the same time help seeds germinate sooner. So I think that's a great win. You get 4 trays for €4.99, which is a good deal. I'm keeping it and I'm going to start using it soon. I'm so happy. I'm convinced. Now comes the bigger box. Let's open it. A lot of us here use the Birkenstock kind of mules as home slippers, and there's nowhere else you get such great deals. So all of us ordered together to avoid this delivery charge. And here you saw the men's mule, and we were also a couple of women who wanted to have the women version of it too. So here's the women mules, which we got for €7.99. I think it's a great deal. And the quality is always good. It's much softer, it's easier to wear, and it works for 2 or 3 years, and then you throw it away and get a new one. So it's great. We'll check out the sizes and then make sure that everything fits all of us. Then we wanted to buy some hygrometers to check the humidity levels in our apartment. So the deal was good. It was €4.99, and two different colors are available in white and black. Look at this. I ordered a really cute cardigan for €12.99. Isn't that cute? Look at the material. It's soft, but at the same time it would help in spring and autumn. And the color, it's beige, would go well with so many different inner layers and pants. I'm keeping this for sure. I love it. I love it already. There's more. Let's go through them. Sometimes on Lidl.de, you end up finding some of the most amazing products at such great prices. This is definitely one of them. Just look at how aesthetic, how elegant it is, and look at that color. It's just wow. I mean, you don't even have to use it as loungewear. You can even wear it outside or in fact, style it to suit your workplace. I'm definitely keeping this. I think it's a great deal that I got. Next, we have a couple of loungewear. I really like this design when I saw it online. Isn't it very calming and relaxing? The colors also seem very nice. and perfect for a lazy day at home. The price was great. I wanted to see how good it is. I thought it'll be a bit thicker. I like the pant though. It's pretty cool. It's nice. And you can style it with any light colored t-shirt. That should work. But the top, the t-shirt, I was a bit unsatisfied with it because it's already white in color and it was pretty transparent. Do you see it here? I'm not too convinced with this. I should check it out again. So I checked it out again, all over again, and nah, I think I'll skip this. I don't think I'm going to feel very comfortable wearing this because it's a transparent top, or I might need multiple layers within it. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to return this. It's too cute though. Next, we have another loungewear that's a bit darker color. I was a bit skeptical about this, but I thought, okay, let me order this and see. It might look good in person. Actually, it was great. Look at that. It was a different kind of a neckline here, a bit of a V-neck. And the pant looks so simple, and at the same time, the material was great. I think I'll keep it. I love this. Then another loungewear that has a striped t-shirt and a bit of a flared pants. It's dark navy blue in color, so I love this color. It's great. It's the most comfortable color, I would say. Not fully black, but just as dark as it can get. The pants look great. I can style the pants with any other top or any other t-shirt. The t-shirt looks pretty good too. The material is totally fine for 8 euros 99 cents. I'm definitely keeping this. I love it. It has like a boat neck and long sleeves, so that makes it super comfortable. Hey, have you seen this pajama set? It feels like velvet. It's super soft, super cozy, comfortable. The color's great. It's not a bright pink like the website shows. It's more of dull pink. So think of a duller rose gold color. That's how it looks like. It has a bit of peach, or maybe the color just comes from the lighting. I'm not sure. But it's definitely not a bright baby pink. It's much more mellow. The quality is great. The buttons look good. Easy to wear, easy to handle. I'm keeping this for sure. The price is pretty fine too. Next, we have a gardening mat. Anyone who does urban gardening or has a balcony needs this because you don't have enough open space out there to play with all the soil to fill in your pots. You want to do it without all the mess, right? This mat is great. For 3 euros 99 cents, it's pretty big and amazing. Like, share and subscribe.